Hi, everybody. So in our class research project, a survey was conducted in order to understand the characteristics of multi-ingredient pre-workout supplements, also known as MIPS, use, as well as to assess consumer knowledge about FDA regulation on MIPS. This was important for us to study so that we have a better understanding on how people consume pre-workout supplements, as well as the knowledge that they had on FDA regulations of MIPS. The participants included a sample of active people who currently consumed MIPS. The participants numbered 106, and they were selected from various sources. 57.5% were male, 41.5% were female, and 0.9% were non-binary. The ages of the participants ranged from, it was 23.7 years old with standard deviation of plus or minus 6.1 years. 25.5% of the participants consistently used pre-workout for less than 6 months, as well as 6 months to 1 year. The majority of the sample recorded taking pre-workout for improved energy at 78.3%. The use of MIPS was 3.4 days with a standard deviation of plus or minus 1.3 days. 50.9% consumed MIPS 15 to 29 minutes prior to exercise. At 71.7%, resistance training was the highest ranked exercise type for MIPS consumption, with participants taking 1 scoop or serving size at a time. That was at 62.3%. 47.2% of participants indicated that they were unsure if their pre-workout contained proprietary blends. When asked questions about the FDA regulation on MIPS, participants answered incorrectly or they were unsure. That data can be found in figures 2 and 3 of the results. C4 was ranked 15.1% and Ghost was 8.5% as the preferred brands of pre-workout users. Excuse me. Participant confidence was then tested through the survey pre and post infographic. Post-infographic, 64.2% of participants indicated that their confidence and knowledge increased and their confidence level of the FDA regulations decreased on average. The quality of MIPS screening had the most decrease with a mean of 0.9 and a standard deviation of plus or minus 1.5. This can be found in figure 4 of the results. The study found that MIPS consumption was similar among the study participants, and the lack of knowledge of FDA regulation on MIPS was present. Based on the information we found, we can apply our results in order to educate people with proper information on FDA regulation of MIPS. We can also emphasize that supplements should be consumed wisely based on the data that we found. Future research could be done with in-person surveys to eradicate limitations, and it might include asking participants the adverse effects they face when taking MIPS, if any. It's important that researchers make sure that people truly understand FDA regulations after participants view an educational infographic. Again, just being sure that they're aware of what's truly going on with FDA regulations can eliminate more limitations in future research. Thank you.